For my technology review, I've decided to do the Microsoft Surface Studio 2. What is it? The Surface Studio 2 is Microsoft's newest desktop computer and the second of its line. It is mainly advertised as the ultimate creative studio for professionals of all kinds. The computer is said to have fast processing times, and its specs support that claim. It has been built for those who want a computer that outperforms the rest and helps them do their job. The advertising even urges the buyer to rise above the ordinary by buying the product. Here are some photos of the studio. At the top we see its vibrant 28-inch display, and in the right corner we get a look at Microsoft's so-called gravity hinge and the ports situated along the back of the computer. Here in the left corner we can see the included wireless mouse and keyboard. Why is it important in the world of technology, and my personal thoughts on the machine. Personally, I think this computer, and others like it, could become the next generation family computer, with one in almost every household for kids to do homework on, play games, message their friends, and for adults to do their jobs on. I don't see that happening soon, though, because of the computer's main negative: the expensive price tag. With the base model costing $3,499 and a fully configured model costing $4,799, most people cannot justify this computer. Positives of the computer are mainly its speed and the futuristic style of build, as seen in the photos. Other negatives include the Intel i7 processor being made for laptops instead of desktop computers. Also, the USB-C port does not support Thunderbolt 3, which is an issue for some people. And compared to the original Surface Studio, most don't think the increase in price is worth buying the newer version. If you're interested in this computer, I would highly encourage you to check it out. The reviews that I found had very few negatives and mostly positive views. All prices on this slide are from Microsoft.com, so go check it out. This has been my technology review of the Microsoft Surface Studio 2. I hope you liked it.